Hi, I'm gonna show you how to repair the belt and the part inside the dirty handy tool walk behind machine. This have a Kohler engine, 6.75 horsepower with 149 cc. With a 22-inch trimmer. It's brand new, folks. I'm going to show you how to repair, maintain it. Also show you how to install awesome wheel attachment, third wheel, so it will be on 3 wheel. Amazingly awesome. This is where we're gonna do first. We take this ball out, remove this ball, 2 of them, 2 on the other side. Okay. Now, to get inside that machine, we have to take the trim ball and the spindle and the spin plate out. Use the 16 millimeter to take it out. There's a bolt and a lock washer. Go inside here. And then you just got a screwdriver, a line right here. Put the screwdriver and spin it until you see the hole inside the shaft and stuck it in, push it all the way in, lock the shaft, and just remove this. Remember, the hole is one side flat. That's how the shaft is. That's how you put. There's only one way for it to go in. Remember, the hole is face up. The hole face up. So you put them down. Remove the next one. If it doesn't come out because it's tight, brand new, you like something like that flat, you have to pry it out evenly. It come out. See that? Put it down. Remove it. Put it down. And then take the screwdriver out and just take it out. Remember, this is the spacer go inside the shaft. Okay. Now we're gonna remove the guard, the plastic guard. There's 4 balls. Just take them out. 10 millimeter. Now you can see the whole inside of the machine. You can replace the belt. To replace the belt, just disconnect this, take this ball out so you can slide. Take this ball out, take the wheel out, and you just pull the belt out and put a new belt in. Okay, this is brand new, so we don't need to do anything. I'm just showing you. You can replace the spring if it's messed up. This is your clutch cable. This is your engine shaft, engine pulley. Now let's remove this. The nose cover, as you can see. Here's your pulley, here's your belt. Okay.
Go.
Okay, we're gonna install awesome wheel plate. It's a 24-inch by 16 aluminum plate, and just put the plastic guard, align it in there, push it in a little bit, and use the screw so it stay there. Just couple turn by in. Now you pick up the awesome wheel plate. You see that tool right here to cover the bowl head inside. It's straight. This side on awesome wheel is straight. That's how you know. See, when you got like two of them in, and you just align. Tie them in. Use a wrench. Secure and tie them real tight. Okay, now we're going to install the trim plate. There's 4 spacer. One side is flat, no hole. The other side got hole. 4 of them. This one is the one with the metal blade cutting and the line. Make sure the metal plate with the bracket is face up. When you get the line, make sure you got two same length, the same length, 2 of them, and you weave one of them over the bracket. Inside the bracket, go over and come out. Make sure they even. Same over here, even, so they cut evenly. And then that's it. And remember, this is the bearing cover. The flat is going down. This is the bearing. Slide over. The shaft have a flat side, not completely circle. So how you align it. Don't force it, just align it. See how easy it get in. Push it all the way up. Make sure it spin. And now the first plate, the flat side face down to the ground. So just align it and push it in. See how easy it get in, and push it in. The next plate, the whole side is face down. Same way, align it where the flat is and just slide it in, like just like that. Now it's the line plate. Same way, make sure the metal cutter bracket face up. Align it. Don't force, just be gentle. See how easy to get in. Push it up. The next one, the hole will be face up. The hole will cover this 2 bolt head right here. That's it. And then the last plate, make sure the last plate always have the flat face the ground. If you want low, you can put 3 spacer on the top, only 1 spacer on the bottom. I just put it right at the center. Put it in, push it. Now take the trim ball with a screw right here, the bolt, put it inside with a washer. use your finger to turn it until it bite, and tight it in. There you go. It's the install. Cut it. Last thing you do is put the caster wheel on it. It's a 5-inch swivel wheel. Put it through. Put a washer on it. Put a nut on it. You got from the trim ball to the ground. It's clear up. You can see, so it will touch the ground. You will never destroy your trim ball. Here you go. It moves so easy. Backward, forward.